On today's episode of Bourbon and Bullshit, we are trying Knob Creek Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. Hey y'all, welcome to today's episode of Bourbon and Bullshit. I am Boobarella today.
Boobarella. Blue Man.
Not Black Guy?
Blue Man, look.
Oh, okay.
I'm just Brittany.
Blue Man and Brittany. Boobarella, Blue Man and Brittany.
That's
from Bourbon and Bullshit.
That's a lot of alliteration.
Yeah.
It took me so hard to not screw that up. So I'm don't mess it up.
On today's episode, we are trying this beautiful bottle of Knob Creek. I've never had Knob Creek before. This is 100 proof.
It does not play games.
Aged 9 years. Crafted for superior taste and smoothness.
Claremont, Kentucky. Let's see what they got. Let's crack it open.
I like it because the color is very nice. Not too light, not like super dark, which scares me and just makes me think that
It's gonna taste like fire.
exactly.
This is a lot of wax.
I don't know if that makes me like it more or less.
Yeah. From somebody.
Bam. Let's see the pour. Smooth. How's it smell?
Regular. Smells regular. Which is not a bad thing necessarily. Just nothing really stands out about it.
I don't like it.
I don't mind it.
Yeah.
I don't hate it.
Yeah, I don't hate it. It has more flavor than anticipated from the smell.
Got some body to it.
Yeah.
You alright?
That's a little bit of a burn going down. It's definitely a sipper. A slow sipper.
It's a mixer. You don't drink that straight.
You can.
Second. Okay.
I'm not a pro.
Yeah. It's alright.
So what'd you rate it, Brittany?
I feel like it's a 5.
It's a 5. Candace?
3.5.
3.5. I'm with Brittany. I think it's a 5. I think if you need a stiff one, then
You
your
want
pockets
to feel it?
and your pockets, kind of low.
Knob Creek is the way to go.
Knob Creek is the way to go.
I love it. Yeah, I don't know that I would buy this on purpose for like a celebratory drink.
No.
But
Y'all can have it. I don't like it.
interesting.
It's interesting. Next for the BS, we got all this wonderful BS over here. Let's go in order. We're gonna start with the shred squid.
We're prepared shredded squid.
Hot.
I feel like the word prepared made me way more scared than if they had just said dried squid. Like, what is prepared
I don't
mean?
think it's dried.
Oh. It's not dried? This is...
Dude, I don't get out of the bag. Take one out, please. This was a gift from someone who I thought loved me.
They might...
It's like...
Smells like smells like fish food.
Okay.
Oh Jesus.
Oh, that is...
It's not a bad time to have Corona and Louis just
Pungent. Pungent.
Let's go ahead and put that up there for anybody who think they might want some prepared shred.
It's not dried. Not dried at all.
Told you.
Dude, I cannot eat fish food. Y'all ate it already?
This is just not good.
Well,
It's kind of sweet. I want to eat fish tongue. Knob Creek to the rescue.
Don't do that. Y'all trying to sit home, folks.
That is pure trash.
Y'all for the faint of heart.
It's good on crying.
I legitimately tried to finish chewing it, and like at each point, I felt like the flavor got worse. So like I put it in my mouth and I was like, oh, it's not so bad. And then I kept chewing and I was like, oh no. It was like all fish, just fish taste in your mouth.
It was sweet for like a half a second. I was like crab. No,
and then at the end, it felt very chemically in my mouth. And I was just like, so many things are happening. And I feel like if it was dried, maybe it would not be so terrible. But I don't even want this on my napkin. But such is life.
It tastes fake.
This is going in the trash.
Yeah, nobody's actually gonna eat that.
Y'all can't see the trash off camera, but if you listen like closely, yeah, that was trash.
Yeah.
We have Neptune Sustainable Ocean Snacks, fish jerky, cracked pepper, wild Alaskan pike.
I feel like we are making terrible life decisions today.
I feel like this gonna taste 10,000 times.
Oh, I feel like it's gonna be way better.
Yeah. Just as like a note, I have never had jerky in my life. No form of jerky.
Oh.
So, ever?
Oh.
You've been missing out, so.
Only on certain kinds of jerky. Other jerky.
You smell it, don't
nasty.
you?
You know, I see it.
Oh Jesus, let me get some on Knob Creek.
I can't really smell it. Wait.
All this stuff makes Knob Creek get a 10. Why'd you give me that big piece, fam?
It's actually smaller than the piece I gave.
Honestly, it smells like roasted fish, which makes sense. And I see and smell the cracked black pepper.
Smell like pork.
Tastes like dried fish.
Yeah. It's actually not bad.
This is like the closest I can get to pork.
Yeah, actually, it's not bad. I don't know if I would like.
I don't want to finish eating it, but it's not
Like,
not trash.
I don't know that I would purchase them.
I'm enjoying my first my first jerky experience.
Yeah.
What would you rate this jerky, baby?
The flavor of the jerky, like the stuff on the jerky, is excellent. The fish taste is what gets you, and I feel like that's what makes it a 6.
I want to eat this on purpose. But if I was starving, like this would be fine.
Like the flavor itself is good. It's just the fish part.
Yeah, whether it tastes like fish or cracked pepper.
Like, what if that was chicken?
Well, I wanted it was chicken jerky, not gonna lie.
I'll give it a 5.
Yeah, like they just need to like forget the jerky part and just like bottle the seasoning and then sell that.
Seasoning is a 10.
Yeah, the seasoning is pretty good.
The last thing we have on our bourbon and BS with Brittany, Booberella, and Blue Man is
It's nasty shit.
Calypso Light Lemonade. Only 5 calories, 0 sugars.
Full exposure. Regular Calypsos are delicious.
Regular
Yes.
But
Calypsos
he bought
are
light.
liquid diabetes.
He
Yes.
bought light Calypso, and
I want us to have almost healthy bodies since we tear our livers up. You
I
can
mean,
at least,
that does kind of make sense.
I want to balance out the liver,
feel like, but those don't go hand in hand.
Look, I'm not an expert, a medical expert. I'm pretending to be one today.
I mean, sometimes you have to like, if you're going hard in one thing, you gotta just like make it up in the other.
So we're going to cut down on our diabetes since we upping it up on our liver decreasing. See?
I think it's a great plan.
This is about to be nasty.
If it's fire, stay away from our...
I don't know. Like I can't. Usually I am anti-diet anything.
Yes.
And key tip:
But wait,
diet is always in a lighter packaging than the regular.
this looks the same.
Oh no.
No, the top
The packaging is lighter.
is lighter.
Yeah.
So what I wanted to say was regular Calypso tastes like
Sugar.
house party juice, right? The kids drink Kool-Aid.
Oh yeah.
So this is diet. It got to be like half that sugar.
So regular juice?
It probably tastes like regular. It might taste like Simply. Let me put it in the palate.
I feel like you're doing too much. Simply
Let's hope
is
for the
great.
best.
Calypso, I
It
don't
says it's
know.
not super sugary. Simply lemonade is like nice lemonade.
That's true. I don't think this will match it. That's what I'm saying.
This smells like Pedialyte. Does not smell good at all. It smells like cheap Gatorade.
Okay. I have to pause because I almost laughed and that would have been a really bad look.
Nope. Still tastes. Ugh. It's got aftertaste.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Why
That
not?
tastes like watery lemonade with aspartame.
With equal in it. With over amounts of equal.
It's not crick.
That's
It just
just-
went to like a 7.
That's just nasty. That's what that is. That's nasty.
It's
And
trash.
no one should drink that. How many of those did you buy?
Just one.
Okay, good. I thought you bought like a whole case. That was going to be really sad for you.
I can still taste it.
That's better.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Now Creek by itself is amazing right now.
I mean, it still has an aftertaste, but
Neither of those are helped by each other.
it's better than me.
She's lying to you.
I'm gonna add some more non-creek to it.
Yeah, you need to add the whole bottle of Knob Creek there.
I made the lemonade taste worse, and it made the taste worse. Like I don't know how they managed that. Yeah, so
While she plays games, it's been real.
We'll see you next time.
with hopefully better taste.